All right, cost of the work. Let's talk about that.
Yeah, this one's just real quick. They had the definition of what the cost of the work was, but they had to they wanted to make it more clear. And here, this was if the owner brings in their own people. If the owner brings in something else, it's something otherwise furnished by the owner, it's their value. So that sometimes people would get confused of what equals the cost of work. And again, this is a defined term. If you see
the word work or capitalized.
Anytime you see a capitalized term in any contract, that means it's a defined term. And so this is 6.1 actually defines what the cost of the work is. And this definition is mirrored actually in the A201, so it's consistency throughout. But this new language is helping clarify what that definition is, just because there have been litigation over in the past.
Yeah, and I don't think we need to spend a lot of time on this one right now, but I do recommend that you actually spend some time really understanding this on your own, because it is fascinating what is not included. Compensation for the architect is not included. Cost of the land is not included. Contingencies are not included. So there's a whole series of kind of interesting aspects.
Right.
FF&E is often not included. There's a whole series of different things that don't go into the cost of the work, because it's a very particular contractual part of what's going on. When they say work, they mean the one part of it. They don't mean the whole thing. They don't mean all the land and all the lawyer's fees and all that stuff.
And one last point, the reason why defining the cost of work is important is because the contractor's profit margin is often a percentage of the cost of the work, or sometimes the architect's design fee will be a percentage of the cost of the work. So you want to figure out what that percentage is tagged off of, because somebody can make more or less if you don't have the definition right.